So may tanong po tayo about postal ID. Paano po daw mag-renew ng postal ID? Sa renewal ng postal ID, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is i-prepare mo yung mga requirements. So ano po yung mga requirements? Yung requirements po is yung proof of identity. Ano po yung mga tinatanggap na proof of identity? Tinatanggap po nila is yung PSA na birth certificate, national ID, mag-physical man or digital, GSIS Humid ID, SSS Humid ID, driver's license, at passport. Kapag babae ka at iba yung name ng yung ID sa current name mo kasi married ka na, magdala ka rin ng marriage contract kapag babae ka. Next is yung proof of address. Ano yung tinatanggap na proof of address? Yung barangay clearance, yung credit card bill mo or yung bank bill mo or di kaya yung cable or utility bill mo like sa internet, tinatanggap din yan. Next na i-prepare mo once meron ka na yan is yung VAT expired mo na postal ID. Once meron ka na yung expired postal ID is pumunta ka na sa postal office at may form silang ipapa-fill out. I-fill out mo lang yun and magbayad ka ng 550 pesos. So yun po yung gagawin ninyo para mag-renew ng postal ID. So I hope this video answer your question. If you want more videos like this, forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang. See you in my next video. Let's go.